Microsoft just dropped another Windows 11 26 H1 Insider Preview build 28020.2134 to the latest experimental channel. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. And in today's video, I'm going to break down all the new features, all the new changes, and all the fixes to this build. So without getting further ado, let's get started. While this update may not look massive on the surface, some of the changes and features could seriously improve everyday Windows experience. The biggest focus in this release is Windows Update behavior. For years, users have complained that Windows updates fail first, interrupted workflows, and sometimes appears at the worst possible moments. Microsoft is now introducing changes designed to give users much more flexibility. Starting with this build, when installing Windows through out-of-the-box experience, as known as OOBE, users can now skip update installation during setup. That means instead of waiting for downloads and update checks before reaching the desktop, you can finish installation faster and handle updates later. For people reinstalling Windows frequently, testing builds, or setting up multiple PCs, this could save noticeable time. Previously, Windows only allowed updates to be paused for a limited period. Now Microsoft is removing those restrictions. Users will be able to extend update pauses repeatedly wherever needed through Windows Update settings. And that gives significant more control to users who prefer delaying updates until stability improves or compatibility issues are resolved. This is especially important for enthusiasts, creators, gamers, and professionals who avoid installing new builds immediately. One of the most frustrating Windows behavior has been saying update and shutdown or update and restart instead of normal power actions. With the build 28020.2134, Microsoft is decoupling update actions from the standard power menu. The store menu power options will always include clean shutdown and restart, without forcing update actions into these choices. That means users will regain straightforward control over powering up their system. This sounds minor, but long-time Windows users know how surprisingly annoying update forced shutdown behavior can become. Another important change is deeper transparency around update information. Microsoft says Windows will begin providing more detailed insights into available updates before installation. In simpler terms, users should get cleaner information about what updates are pending and what exactly those updates contain. Better transparency means fewer blind installs and potentially better decision about when to update. Microsoft is also making quality of life improvements inside storage settings. Previously, navigating to settings, then system, and storage could immediately trigger user account control pop-up. That extra confirmation step interrupted workflows even when users were only checking storage information. Now Microsoft is changing that behavior. The UAC prompt will only appear if users specially access the temporary file sections requiring elevated permissions like deleting or clean up system files. And the result? Less interruption and cleaner settings experience. Small change, but frequent Windows users will notice it. This build also includes another hood fix, affecting Simple Service Discovery Protocol. SSDP helps Windows discover devices and services across networks. Microsoft says reliability problems causing SSDP background notifications to become stuck or unresponsive have been addressed. The fix should improve stability for devices discovery and reduce potential background services issues. This isn't flashy, but reliability fixes often matters more than visible features. Before installing these experimental builds, there are one more important issues users need to know. Microsoft has confirmed a bug involving reset this PC. Attempting to perform a local factory reset may cause the reset process to freeze or become permanently stuck. That means reinstalling Windows through the normal local reset option could fail. If you need to reset your PC while using this build, choose this cloud download option instead of a local reinstall. Using cloud download should complete the reset successfully and avoid the bug. So if you're testing insider builds, remember this before wiping your machine. Also important, these changes are deployed through the control features rollout or CFR. That means even if you install build number 28020.2134, some features may appear later because Microsoft gradually enables them for different insider groups. So don't panic if everything isn't visible immediately. In some cases, I've noticed that some users are not getting these experimental or beta options. Even the advanced option is missing and the feature flags also missing. So if you want to enable those three features, these are the commands. You can unlock them using ViVeTool. So overall, Windows 11 build number 28020.2134 isn't packed with flashy redesigns, but it's targeting something users have requested for years. More control over updates, fewer interruptions, and smoother Windows experience. If you're testing experimental channel, let me know which features matter most to you. Would you use indefinite update pauses, or do you prefer installing updates immediately? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love the deep dive, don't forget to hit a like, subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab for more Windows 11 updates, insider builds, hidden features, and Microsoft news. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.